What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Meals and Minutes. I've got my mask, I've got my car, it's all fueled up because we are off to the Asian specialty supermarket because tonight we are doing red Thai curry. Woohoo! So without further ado, cue that Asian market montage. All right, so introducing the four superstars to the Thai red curry team. We got the coconut cream, and I got the cream over the milk because it's just gonna make it that much thicker. Then we got our red curry paste, a must-have and essential. Then Mr. Ginger, and then we got the garlic. That's what's happening. So first and foremost, you want to prep your veg that are gonna go into the curry. For this one, I got red pepper, I got carrot, onion, and then green onion's gonna finish it off. Okay, so veg is successfully prepped. Everything's ready to go. I've also added the canned baby corn because it's gonna be unbelievable. Excellent, so you're still here. So for protein, I've chosen pork because that's the only thing we have right now because we are in a food shortage. So I'm just gonna slice this up nice and I'll see you guys after. So the pork's all good. It's time to preheat the pan to a medium-high heat. Oil's on. Garlic ginger mix in. Then we're gonna add the pork. And our onions. Add the peppers and add the carrots. Cook down. Let's move on to the broth. Oil in. Let's go red curry paste in. About 2-3 tablespoons worth. Excellent. Let that cook down for a second. Stir it. So I've added 1 cup of the coconut cream. We're just going to stir. We're going to let it simmer for a bit. Let those flavors open up. And then we're going to add our veg. Great, so our sauce is simmered down a little bit here. 2 coconut milks, a little bit of sugar. Now it's time to add all those additives we prepped before. We've added the pork, we've added the veg. We're gonna let that simmer down for about 20 minutes here. Make sure your rice is on, or if you want noodles or whatever, make sure you do that too. Right on. And so if you got a hot date, I'm gonna show you how to plate. Let's go. Smidge of oil in the side piece here. Couple drops, good, let's go. Cover it all up in oil. Take that oiled bowl and fill it up with sticky rice. And pack it to the brim. Nice, make sure you pack it in. Nice. Flip the bowl upside down in a bigger bowl. Tap 5 times, let's go. Remove to reveal excellent rice. Now, fill with curry. Looks pretty perfect, except it's missing green onions. Top. There you go. Absolutely phenomenal red Thai curry with sticky rice, pork, onions, carrots, and green onion. And tell your date you love her, because I'll be back next week. Adios.